Hello, my name's Shane, we're on a Motorcaravan. This is Pete. Where are we?
I wanted to show you the Swift Voyager built on the Ford.
It's brand new for 2023 here at the NEC.
Here at the, oh wow mate, you almost made that rhyme. Now, you know I love a Ford chassis.
Yeah.
I do love a Ford chassis, and I think Ford are getting bigger, bolder, better, brighter every step of the way.
With better cup holders.
Better, we've got a lot of cup holders in a Ford. The Voyager, what price ranges are they actually?
Start at 66.5 for the little 540, up to 68 for something like the 594. Sorry, I keep saying the 694. The Swift Escape range, it starts with a 6, and then the next two numbers are the model. So a 694 in a Swift Escape is an island bed, and this is a 594, and so on through the range.
So this one in particular will be an island bed.
Yeah.
Now, again, I think the styling that Swift are doing externally is absolutely beautiful. I think it's turning its corner. This on the decals and going up here, it gives it a 3D effect. It's absolutely wonderful. I think it's lovely, but I think the best bit about this is on the inside.
Yeah, so this one's a 584, sorry. So this is the twin singles above the garage.
Yeah.
Now, what do you think going into the Ascari just compared to here with the headspace?
Oh, the headspace is another level. I mean, I can't even...
I mean, that must be, what's that, 7 foot tall?
That's got to be 7 foot. I mean, that I'm really stretching for that. And again, on the new Ford cab, so you've got the Zenith head unit, which is sort of industry leading head unit. The nice Ford cab, but you can have it on the automatic gearbox. Slight almost downside is that this all feels a bit clunky in the cab here with my feet, but then again I am quite a clunky fellow.
I do like how it's a relatively similar-ish level to the lounge. It's not.
I think that's what made it clunky, because I went to step up into it. And
There is, to be fair, there is a bit of rise. There's a couple of models that I've seen at the show so far where the whole floor is flat, and it's really nice to see that. But yeah, 4 berth, 4 belts. So these are pop-up seats at the front. Again, you know, if you have a look at the Contiki video that we do, these are a bit flatter, but you're talking half the price.
Absolutely.
They're not as contoured and so on.
But there's still the nice touches. So
Yeah.
there's the nice little detail, and that is actually lumpy. I don't know the right description for it, but that is really lumpy. I think the cloth interior is wonderful. I think that really does give it an awful lot of functionality for a 4 berth 4 belt family wagon.
Yeah.
Like I say, the height is incredible. It just feels a bit more spacious.
It feels wide as well.
Absolutely.
Something you won't get in this range, you won't get the Swift command panel because they tend to be on the more premium ones. It's just, but I mean, to be fair, it's a complete competition to the Auto Trail F line.
Which would you go for, Shane?
Ooh. I'll probably actually go for this. I think the colours are a bit brighter in the Swifts, and I think the outside looks a bit better. Yeah, no, just thinking about it, I'd definitely go for the Swift.
It's a close one, but I think you get a little bit more in this one.
I just think it looks a bit better. I feel like sometimes the F line, it feels its price range, whereas this feels a little bit better.
Yeah.
But they are very, very similar, so it's down to personal choice.
Yeah. For me, this has got a little bit more cupboard space, a little bit more storage space.
Yeah. I mean, just when you're talking above the kitchen here, you've got one up there, you've got another one here, you've got either side, you've got bottle holders and all sorts. You've still got all the hobs and hot plates and.
I mean, again, under there you've got everything that you need.
I know it sounds daft, but they're all going a lot more. And I don't want to say this, and I don't mean this in a disrespectful way. They're all going a lot more IKEA. So a lot of clever ideas, a lot of in-drawer things that you'd see. You'll go around an IKEA store and see.
Yeah. I like the
which is great. Really good.
Taken out a lot of the manuality of it. I don't know if that's a word, but we can put it in the Oxford English Dictionary.
I just wish that they had an extension table here.
But you've got your chopping board here, which I suppose.
But it doesn't take much just to put one on there.
I agree. I totally agree. And there's other bits that I think just feel a little bit like they could have thought about it more. I love the electric table. Like I said, that takes out the manuality of trying to find the table and all of that. Best low profile of the show. But I mean, could that have been hidden a bit? I don't know. I'm being
the only
picky.
thing with that is I'd probably hide the fuse.
That's
I'm
what
not
I mean. I'm
sure
being
about
a
the
bit
fuse spot.
picky, but
Right.
it's there. As you can see, it's the Shane's favourite, 20 above the garage, and you've got a lot of storage space going on underneath the floors. And if you look here, big storage space. Shane, I think that is what takes this and the bathroom above the V-line for me.
Does this join in the middle, the bed? I love this storage in the step, by the way.
Storage in both steps. Does this join in the middle? Look at
Oh,
that!
cupboard. That's a long cupboard as well.
That's a
Long
big
drawer.
cupboard. And you've got another one this side.
Probably not, but
No, I don't think it
it
does.
still joins enough. And then we do have the bathroom with that same marble effect in there, which is very similar to the Baileys, actually, thinking about it.
Similar to the Baileys, I like the faux tile flooring as well in the bathroom. I think, like you said, Shane, the V-line, when you look at this, is showing its age.
F-line, yeah.
Sorry, F-line, yeah. Apologies.
Yeah.
I think it's showing its age against these. Are the bits that I think could have been finished a bit better. I know this is a show edition, but if you just have a look here, you can see the...
Yeah, I think
Right.
that, yeah, you'd hope that things like that would get ironed out because it has only been out for a week or so.
Absolutely is it just because this is a show edition. But let us know what you guys think.
Let's go and have a quick look at the 594.
Oh, yes.